Hey, one of the features I want to show you guys on this Cadillac XT6 2020 edition is the Park Assist feature. Now, we're going to click a button. Let me turn the volume down so you can hear me a little better. This button right here on the radio screen, I'm going to go ahead and select it. The first thing you're going to notice is it says parallel or perpendicular parking. Today, we're going to do the demonstration of the perpendicular. This would be a good example if you were headed to your favorite restaurant, you come up on a spot that you notice between two cars, and you want to go ahead and park it there. On this demonstration, we're going to be on the right side of the vehicle. So the first thing I'm going to do is click perpendicular, and then I'm going to leave it on right side. The next thing I'm going to do is it will instruct me to go ahead and stop and make sure it's in drive. I'm going to drive forward. And when we pass the spot, it should give me an indication. You'll see it on the screen here in just a second. Right there, it says stop and shift to reverse. So I'm going to take the gear shift lever down here, and I'm going to move it up to reverse. And from here on, the vehicle is going to take over. The only thing I have to control is the accelerator pedal. Notice that the steering wheel goes ahead and does all the steering for you. It's going to keep going, keep going, keep going, and it says stop. The next thing I'm going to do is shift into drive, as I'm instructed by the screen. Once again, the vehicle is doing all the steering. I'm not doing any of that. I'm moving the accelerator pedal only. I pull forward until the blue arrow on the screen is completely full and it says stop. Next thing I do is I continue to follow the directions on the screen and shift it to reverse. Here we go, just using the accelerator pedal. Steering wheel is still doing everything on its own. And there you have it. I put the vehicle in park and it is completely parked by itself. The only thing you have to control is the accelerator pedal, and every once in a while you need to apply the brakes. But the vehicle does brake along with turning itself. So that is the assisted parking feature of the brand new Cadillac XT6, and this is the 2020 edition.
Hi guys, my name is Andy Traeger and I work at Barker Buick GMC Cadillac here in Bloomington, Illinois. If you've enjoyed our videos, please click the subscribe button, because whenever we launch a new video, I want you guys to be able to see it. If there's anything else that you'd like to see, maybe a cool feature or how-to video, please leave it in the comments below. We'll be checking those to make sure that we get those videos to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe.